Hi, welcome to the Birmingham Market Update for the month of September. My name is Todd Helzer, and I'm a realtor and investor here in Birmingham with eXp Realty and the team Birmingham Investments Group, where we help people buy and sell investment properties here in the Birmingham market. Thanks so much for joining us. If you could like and subscribe to our channel, helps you get notifications to let you know when we post content that will hopefully help you invest in this market. So let's get into the numbers for the month of September. In September of 2022, we had 2,168 listings. In September of 2023, we had 1,878 listings. This is negative 13.38%. Last month, we were at a negative 11%. So this is kind of trending in what we kind of have talked about in the new market, and I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. Sold was 1,801 last year, and this month we sold 1,314. So that's a negative 27%. Last month we were at a 26.87, so pretty on par there, pretty similar. Average sales price, which we bring to you, that has been really high, really low. This month it is $300,015,641 versus $300,018,595. This is only really a 1% difference increase, which is not significant. The medium actually looks better this month, with the average medium sales price being $269,000, and this last month it was $274,000. So that's a 2.18% increase. So we're trending a little bit lower than normal appreciation levels, but I think that medium is a good mark for where Birmingham is at and a good place to kind of keep tracking with that. Last month on the medium, we were at 3%. So that kind of lets you know that we're in a slight decline. I would say that if you see that over a period of 3 or 4 months, we could see it more of as a trend. List to sales price really hadn't shifted at all. It's only up 0.34%, so not a significant change there. Average days on market went from 23 to 30, so a little bit of a jump, and medium days on market went from 8 to 10. So I want to go back to a little bit of what we talked about before, and last month we kind of talked about how the listings went down. Those listings went down significantly, and they were really for the first 6-7 months of the market this year were in the 25 to 20% range. They kind of floated in that on the negative listings. And last month we saw that jump up to 11%. It's still negative. We're still negative year over year, but we had an increase in the listings. And when Rob and I talked about it, honestly, we believe it's from the rates if you remember, we're kind of climbing through the summer, but really towards the fall, the rates had picked up full momentum and were pretty high. And that's at the point where I would say this August to September period would be what I would call our new market. And so when rates are higher, and the market has reacted to those rates, and so that's why we're seeing a negative 13, a negative 11. When previous up until that point, we were comparing the the old market, we'll say, or the market with 2% rates compared to the market with 7% rates. And I know those are extremes of what's actually happened. But year over year, you kind of seen this huge climb by the Fed to go higher rates, and this is what we're seeing in the market. So if you want to put a pin in it that 2022 August/September is when the market shifted significantly, that's what we're seeing the data is telling us from a buyers/sellers perspective. And so that's a good place to say, okay, now's the new market. So year over year now, when we're comparing numbers, when we're comparing increase of medium sales price, all those different things, we're kind of comparing year over year of the current new market against the current new market, if that makes sense. In addition to that, just to kind of track where the 30-year mortgage index is, at the beginning of the month, it was at 7.18. At the end of the month, it ended at 7.35. The previous month, we had a 28 point increase. This month, we're seeing a 17-point increase. And so in the last 2 months, we've almost seen a half of a point increase overall. And so that's significant. It definitely has slowed down some of our listing purchases. People are still buying. People are still selling this market. Obviously, there's data to back that up, but it definitely is hindering some deals. And so hopefully that's helpful in you looking at your portfolio. If you'd like to buy or sell in this market, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.